Many Kajabi creators have amazing content, but their course environment still feels a bit standard. Students log in, see a long list of lessons and have to figure out what to do next. They get overwhelmed or they get bored and they quit. That's not always a content problem, it's an experience problem. Your course may be valuable, but if the environment feels confusing, outdated, or overwhelming, students may not feel the true value of what you have to offer. That's why we created Nexus. Nexus is a premium course and membership template that turns a standard course area into a modern guided learning environment. It gives your students a better way to move through your content, and it gives you more freedom to present your course in a way that feels high-end, intentional, and professional. With Nexus, your students do not see a static course outline. You can create curated sections, highlight important lessons, guide students through onboarding paths, and even hide lessons that they have already completed. This makes the experience feel lighter, clearer, and more motivating. They can focus on the content that is relevant to them. And we'll build in elements like badges, rewards, certificates, pop-ups, confetti moments. The learning journey feels more engaging from the start. Nexus also gives Kajabi a completely different visual experience. Instead of a standard course layout, you get a sleek, modern dashboard with horizontal collections, a clean sidebar, visual lesson cards, dedicated pages for downloads or rewards or their favorites, and a design that feels like a premium content platform. It is especially strong on mobile because Nexus was designed for the way students actually consume content today. So your course does not just contain premium knowledge. It also feels like a premium place to learn. And the best part is, you do not need to custom code this yourself. Nexus is built to be easy to set up inside Kajabi. You can adjust the look and feel, choose which lessons appears in which sections, create highlights, set up navigation, and add motivating moments without rebuilding your entire course from scratch. This saves you hours, maybe even days of design work, testing, and technical frustration. You start with a premium structure and then you make it your own. Nexus is offered as a subscription model because it's not meant to be a one-time static template. It's an evolving course environment. Your subscription includes access to Nexus, future updates, new design options, tutorials, improvements, and the Nexus Creator Cycle where you can ask any question. That means Nexus can keep growing with Kajabi, with your business, and with the way your students use your content. So if you want your Kajabi course or membership to feel premium, more guided, and more motivating for your students, Nexus gives you a whole new way to present your content, a better experience for your students, and a high-end look for your brand, and much faster for you to set up. You can try Nexus 30 days for free and experience how Nexus works inside your own Kajabi courses without rebuilding your courses at all.